Hello everyone, you're all welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make three major AMAPIANO drums. The first drum sounds like this, and the second one sounds like this, and the third drum sounds like this. Alright, so these are the three AMAPIANO drums I'll be showing you guys. Alright, so the drum samples I used, we have kick, the rim, snare, have the clap, the open hat, conga, bongo, and the tom. Alright, in this particular pattern, I use the rim and the snare to bring out the groove and bounce, while I use the clap to add the swing. The hi-hat is playing a simple pattern. And to make the bounce punchy, I layered the conga, the bongo, and the tom together with the snare, clap, and the ring. As you can see in this pattern, the kick is a little bit scanty, but as usual, the rim, the clap, and the snare, bring out the bounce and the swing. Alright, so everything all together with the shakers sounds like this. So that's it for this pattern. In the next pattern, we are back with a more continuous kick this time around, and our rim is playing more of an afro type of swing. In this particular drums, you can see I have the open hat and the snare playing the opposite of each other. They are kind of like alternating. And then as usual, I layer the toms to make it punchy. Then everything all together with the shaker sounds like this. Alright, so that is that for today. In case you would like me to make a tutorial on how to play log drums for each of these patterns, comment below and I will do it for the next video. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.